A yellow teddy bear, found in a dumpster half a century ago, has become a star exhibit of the Banaka Museum of Toys in Athens since the museum opened in 2017. The adventurous bear has also reached China through a children's book, written by Greek educator and author Eleni Geroulano. In her fairy tale, Once Upon a Time, a Bear, which has been translated into Chinese and published by China's Hebei Children's Publishing House, the teddy bear wanders around the city in search of his home. He eventually finds a new home and family in the embrace of Maria Argyriadis, a Greek researcher of toys who picked up the bear from the dumpster. Once Upon a Time, a Bear is based on the true story of Argyriadis and the teddy bear. Geroulano said her passion for toys and her family's friendship with Argyriadis inspired her to write this book.
For Maria, this bear was unique. For the bear, Maria was his family. I was touched by this story and I wanted to make it public.
Due to the pandemic, Geroulano has not been able to visit China yet, but she said she is looking forward to, when things get better, meeting with Chinese readers of her book.
Both Greece and China have rich cultures and traditions dating back in ancient times. I wish the Chinese reader, the young readers, will enjoy my book, my story, and travel with our bear all this journey until he found his house.